Emma's Big Helper Day. It is a sunny morning. The birds are singing. The sky is bright and blue. But inside the house, Emma is not happy. Emma is 3 years old. She has big bright eyes and beautiful curly hair. She loves to run and play. But today, Emma is lying on the floor, face down, arms out, like a little starfish. "I'm so bored," says Emma into the carpet. Mommy is at her desk. Click, click, click. Mommy is working on her laptop. She has papers everywhere. She has a big cup of coffee. "Mommy, play with me," says Emma. "Not now, baby," says Mommy kindly. Mommy has a lot of work today. Emma rolls over. She stares at the ceiling. She picks up her teddy bear. She puts it down. She stacks 2 blocks. She knocks them over. She sighs the longest sigh in the whole world. "So boring," says Emma. So boring." And then Emma stands up slowly. She looks down the hallway. Emma tiptoes down the hallway. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. She peeks through the door. Mommy's bedroom. And there, on the dresser, a pink sparkly bag. Something colorful peeking out. "Ooh," whispers Emma. She tiptoes to the dresser. She pulls the bag down. She sits on the floor. Oh, wow! So many colors. Red, pink, purple, gold. Emma picks up the red lipstick. She puts it on her lips, then her nose, then her cheeks, then her forehead, then her ears. Pink powder all over her face, pink powder in the air, pink powder on the floor. Purple eyeshadow above her eyes, below her eyes, on her nose. Emma stands up. She looks in Mommy's big mirror. Red nose, pink cheeks, purple ears, powder everywhere. She looks at herself. Then she smiles. "I look so beautiful," says Emma. She thinks, "Mommy is working so hard. Mommy cannot play with me. If I clean the house, Mommy can play with me." Emma's eyes go wide. "I will clean the whole house," says Emma, "all by myself. And then Mommy will be so happy. And then we can play." "This is the best idea," says Emma. She marches to the door, chin up, chest out, face full of colorful makeup, heart full of love. Emma marches to the kitchen. She finds the big broom. It is very, very tall. Emma is very, very small. "I will sweep the floor," says Emma. Swish, swish, swish. She sweeps near the table. She sweeps near the chairs. Faster and faster. But wait! The dust is not going down. The dust is going up. Up, 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 into the air. Emma sneezes so hard. The broom flies out of her hand. Crash! Emma slowly looks at the kitchen. Dust everywhere, on everything. Emma puts both hands on her hips. She nods slowly. "It's okay. I'm a great helper." Emma finds the mop. She finds the big bucket. She fills it at the sink. More water, says Emma. More, more, more. The bucket is so full. Emma wants to lift it. Too heavy. Water flies everywhere. On the floor, on Emma's feet, all the way to the living room. She picks up the mop. She starts mopping. Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. Emma looks around. She nods. It's okay. I'm a great helper. Emma pushes a chair to the sink. She climbs up. She sees the cups and bowls. I will wash the dishes, says Emma. She picks up the big green soap bottle. More soap, more clean, says Emma wisely. Squirt, squirt, squirt. Bubbles start growing. Small bubbles, big bubbles. Over the sink, down the counter, across the floor, floating through the kitchen, all the way to the living room. She looks around. It's okay. I'm a great helper. Emma sees the laundry basket, full of clean clothes. I will fold the laundry, says Emma. She takes out a big shirt. She tries to fold it. It falls open. She tries again. It falls open again. Says Emma. She rolls it into a ball. Folded, says Emma. Soon the clothes are on the sofa, on the floor, on the coffee table. Daddy's sock on the lamp. Everything else in one big colorful mountain. Emma climbs on top of the pile. She raises both arms up high. It's okay. I'm a great helper. Emma fills the biggest bottle. She carries it with both arms. Left, right, left, right. First plant. She pours and pours and pours some more. Water overflows the pot, drips off the table, falls on Mommy's books below. Drink, plant, drink, says Emma. Second plant, same thing. Third plant, bottle empty. Emma puts it down. She looks around the whole house. Dust on the furniture, water on the floor, bubbles in the kitchen, clothes on everything, Daddy's sock on the lamp, wet books on the table. And then, from the other room, the keyboard stopped. Click, click. Silence. Mommy is coming out. What will Mommy say? Mommy stops. Bubbles on the floor, water on the sofa, clothes on the lamp, wet books on the table, tiny wet footprints everywhere. And right in the middle, surprise, Mommy! I cleaned everything. Now we can play. Mommy stares. 1 second of silence. 2 seconds. 3 seconds. Then Mommy's shoulders shake and the love comes. Big and warm and wonderful. The kind that fills every corner of the house. Mommy kneels down. She opens both arms wide. Emma runs to Mommy. She crashes into her arms. Mommy holds her so tight. Did you do all of this for me? Says Mommy. Yes, says Emma. I swept the floor, I mopped the floor, I washed the dishes, I folded the laundry, I watered the plants, all by myself. Are you happy, Mommy? Mommy looks at Emma's little colorful face. Mummy laughs and cries at the same time because that is what mummies do when they are full of love. Shall we clean together? Says Mummy. Team? Emma holds up her little hand. They fold the laundry together. Mummy folds the big things. Emma rolls the socks into little snowballs. Good job, says Mummy. I know, says Emma. They sweep the floor together. Big broom for Mummy. Little brush for Emma. Swish, swish, swish. Best team ever, says Emma. The very best, says Mummy. Mummy takes Emma to the bathroom. Warm water, soft clothes, gently, gently, gently. Red lipstick, gone. Purple eyeshadow, gone. Pink powder, gone. Emma's little face is clean and soft and rosy. You are the best helper, says Mummy. The best I have ever had. Emma smiles and closes her eyes and falls asleep. The end.